Hi guys, Toyota Prius has electromechanical lock in the rear hatch door, so if your 12-volt battery dies, for example, you won't be able to open it from the outside. But there is a way to open it from the inside the vehicle. As you can see, I have this plastic cover here, which can be removed by using the flat screwdriver. Simply pry it open, like this. And Inside you will see a small lever hidden approximately in this area, and by inserting the screwdriver and pushing it, you will be able to open the door. And the door is now open. I'll try to show you guys one more time. It's hard to see inside, but this is where the lever is located. This is where you have to press to open the door, and as we showed you, it will open. After you're done, you can simply reinstall the cover like this, and it's done. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.